Take a moment to check out the 2020 Ford Expedition. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Approach every adventure from a position of strength in this bold and versatile Expedition. With a spacious interior, exceptional cargo capacity, state-of-the-art infotainment system, and impressive towing capacity, this full-size SUV has your back in luxurious style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, dual-zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, third-row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, universal garage door opener. Prepare to enjoy the attention you'll get when you arrive in this impressive Expedition. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.